2023 Good Intentions continues Nike basketball storytelling approach, blending modern performance technology with a chapter from LeBron James' career. Scheduled to release on March 3, 2026, this edition reflects the moment in 2010 when James announced his move to Miami, a decision that shaped the next phase of his legacy. Up top, the shoe features a lightweight engineered textile build designed for breathability and structured containment. Synthetic overlays reinforce high-stress areas around the laces and midfoot, enhancing lockdown and durability. Inside, a soft textile lining helps maintain step and comfort during extended play. Underfoot, a full-length Sumex foam midsole delivers responsive energy return, supported by Cushlon carrier foam for added balance and stability. A carbon fiber shank plate improves torsional rigidity during quick cuts. The rubber outsole uses multi-directional traction, with translucent sections adding visual depth. Metallic lace tips and polished detailing complete the refined look.